how to buy Prometheum Prodigy right on Bitmart. Very simple and very easy. Let's do this. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the link below this video, around this video, so you can get registered for your Bitmart account. The second thing you want to do, let's go to buy crypto. Two areas that I want you to focus on. Buy crypto, third-party payment. Now we're gonna buy USDT, or you're gonna look to buy USDT to swap for PMPY. You can get this right here. So if I was getting $100 worth, if I scroll down, I'll change this to USDT and you buy your USDT. The second area to how you can do this, you can deposit it over. So right here, you can deposit your USDT, and what that happens is you can get it sent here. So if I click USDT, and then from here, I can get it sent from somewhere else. So if I was gonna do it from Coinbase, I would go right here, purchase my USDT right here, okay? And then I can transfer that by sending my crypto, okay, to this deposit address. So that's two ways. You can get a deposit over, or you can just go buy it third party. After you buy your USDT, let's go over to trade and spot, okay? Trade and spot. From here, I'm going to look under this area there, click there, search, and then I'll type in my crypto, PMPY. Let's look for the pairing, the USDT, because we already got USDT. I'll click there, and this is the chart for Prometheum Prodigy, PMPY/USDT. You got it right on your right here, so I can go ahead and purchase some by clicking there. And I say I just wanted just 1,000 worth, or if I just want 30 worth, I can buy it because I have this amount of USDT. I can swap it and I can buy it right here. This is my estimating fees, but this is right here. I buy it and it goes right into my account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Watch this video again. Click on the link below for your register, for you can buy your Bitmart. You can buy it and you can also sell it from here as well. You just repeat the same steps. If I want to sell this, that's what I would do. Thank you very much. Let's go.